How to breathe during bird to dog plank. Let me show you a good technique. We'll begin in a low plank position. Elbows underneath the shoulders. This time we put the feet not together but a little bit more apart. First, you can start with long breathing technique. Inhale, exhale, picking up the arm. Inhale and exhale. Second level is going to be to raise the leg and opposite arm. Change. Long breathing technique. Inhale and try to exhale as you are raising the arm and leg at the same time to keep that core stability. That's it, guys. Hope this was useful.